All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the OB2 winter video. Madison is out front, so we're gonna go. I don't know. We're gonna walk her in, I guess.
Go meet her.
Figure out what's going on. So.
How's it going, Chris?
Yeah, Tyler, nice to meet you, man.
Chris.
Maddie.
Nice to meet you.
This is Peter. Peter's recording
That's
the
me,
winter
Peter.
vlog. So.
Man,
Right.
Mother's Day gift and a birthday.
Yeah.
It's crazy, man.
So
you always think they're fake till you actually win.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
it's pretty
She
nuts.
won, not me. So.
Yeah, it's half and half, right? Let's go check it out.
Yeah.
Is this the Duramax you guys are giving away now?
Yeah, and there's the mini excavator.
Oh my god, it's so scary.
What'd you get? Just the shirt,
This shirt, and then I got a hoodie.
and I got your.
Oh, and I got a thing for my keychain.
She was freaking out when she first came out.
I didn't answer the phone call at first. I was like, I don't know this number. I listened to the message. I was like, there's no way.
Yep, I got you a 2021,000 turbo razor and 20.
That thing is sweet.
It's got rock lights under it too.
Yeah. So Chris and our buddy Noah actually did almost all the work.
Yeah, we bought it bone stock. It
The purple, man.
we pulled literally every body panel off and painted it. Once we pull it out in the sun, you'll see it a lot better. It's actually, if you look at this, it's the same colors like a platinum Super Duty, platinum pearl white.
Oh my god.
So in the sun it shines way better. Pulled every body panel off, and then we put all aftermarket Beefier control arms on it. It's got 1.5-inch wheel spacers. The rock lights are Bluetooth. So, and then we painted, powder coated everything illusion purple, which is sparkly purple.
I love that purple.
But yeah, I mean, and the coilovers are all adjustable. So I lowered it as low as I could because it's got that mean wide looking stance.
Yes.
You can raise it up like another 4 inches. And then we did the Gibson exhaust with Evo Motorsports cutout, so you can open it up and it gets real loud.
Nobody got one of these back home.
Start it up.
Here's that.
But yeah, and then it's got the custom doors that are painted, inside's all painted illusion purple, so it matches. And it's got that 5-point harnesses.
That's ours.
That's it. It's yours. It said Madison Leatherman.
Hey, you're gonna drive one that I don't, okay?
That thing is beautiful. Dude, we have 10 acres, man. It's perfect.
Oh, really?
Now I need that to take some holes to that.
Right?
Hop in it.
Yeah.
Take it for a rip or something.
You drive.
No, you.
No, you
It's
drive.
yours. I'm not driving it. I'm not driving it.
Why me?
Just don't crash into it.
Can you get in the passenger seat at least?
No, I want to see you.
How do these doors open?
You just push that button.
This.
Oh, we've had a side by side before.
Listen, it's been a long time. Can you open the door?
Get in.
God.
I want to see you rip it first.
No, not by myself. I'm terrified.
Just push the brake pedal and turn the key on.
You guys have a Snapchat?
Why am I doing this by myself? We had a Can-Am, and it was on like a 4-inch lift.
That's what it's made
He
for.
did a freaking donut in it, and the wheel fell off.
No way.
Yes. It was ridiculous.
Then you
Radiator was shot. It was.
Then you just sold it. You went over it. But now you got a brand new razor, so no problem with that. But when you found out, like, what's the first thing you did? Were you like,
I was
tell
shocked.
your mom? Did you tell him?
I was shocked. I just stood there and I was like talking on the phone. I'm like pacing around the house. And my friend said, "What are you doing?" I'm like, "Shh." She's like, "Okay." And I just rang the screen in his office. I was like, "I just ran it side by side."
Yeah, I have no idea.
He's like, "No, you didn't." I was like, "Yes, I did."
I just know it's in Florida. I don't.
And my mom didn't believe me. She was like, "No way you won that." I'm like, "Yeah, I really did." Here we are.
And you bought a hoodie and a shirt.
A hoodie and a shirt. And that's it.
And you're from Florida,
Yep.
so not Michigan.
Yeah, we were
So
so
like,
away.
we're giving away. Yeah, it's crazy.
It's crazy.
What's today's date? May 10th. Is that what I put here?
Yeah.
From the one end to the other end?
Yeah, we live like
I
right in
think
the
it's
front.
about 2
and
or
then
3.
just straight away through the whole town.
Everybody's following.
There's
me
your
now.
title and your money.
Perfect.
Oh, this is where all the orders get packed.
Hi.
I'm Brandon.
I'm Maddie. Thank you.
So yeah, we do like everything.
Everything.
Yeah, so we get the shirts in blank, and then Peter behind the camera. You just can't see him. Peter will taking the blank shirts and printing all the designs on them, and
Wow.
these guys will help fill the orders and get them out. So it's pretty fun. Pretty bad.
Yeah, so if these are all printed, they're in folded, and then we got to put them in inventory, then so we can ship them out.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's a lot of work.
Yeah, we just moved in here last
Week.
Friday.
Saturday.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So we're just kind of getting it all set up and back into full blown crank. Right, Sean?
Or then what? 2 months later, we send out a week.
1,000 plus.
Really?
Wow.
We want to give away, like, our end all goal is to be able to get like a badass Peterbilt semi with a lowboy and a full size excavator. Just like
Like $1 million giveaway.
we would definitely take a huge L on it, but it'd be a sweet.
We're going out to lunch right now. We're gonna take the old Dirty Max. And we're gonna take Madison out to lunch. So, just do
What? We're out to dinner.
a nice restaurant, by the way.
A very nice steakhouse. I like my keys.
You're not gonna break it with your hand.
Shit box. You don't think I'm gonna?
No, you'll break your hand before you break the window.
Yeah, you
At least wrap your You're gonna break your hand. I'm telling you, you're gonna break your hand.
Don't do it.
You're gonna break your hand. The windows are really strong, bro.
You're gonna go right through the window and slice your hand.
No, it's tempered glass. You won't cut yourself.
Why don't you use your boot?
Yeah, use your boot. Fuck.
Kick it.
I'm gonna go through it though.
So you'll be all right. You're not. It's
All right.
tempered glass. I promise.
ready?
Yeah.
Hey! Now unlock it.
Welcome to Own Boss.
Souvenir, anybody?
Give me a wide angle though.
Yeah, you're wide.
You want everybody?
All right, so Madison and her husband just left. They did just win OB2, the 2021 Razor and 10 grand cash. They took it home. Now we're waiting for the shipping guy to come pick it up and we're gonna ship it down there. So it was really cool, dude. Really cool experience. I don't know.
Yeah, thanks for everybody who entered.
Yes.
And if you didn't already get entered, OB3.
Boom. Plus 20K cash, baby. So we're probably gonna go down to Florida at some point and do an interview with Madison's husband because he's like our age and doing some very big things. So we want to bring more motivation and own boss type of energy to each vlog and video because this is the whole point of this company's Own Boss Supply Co is to make someone their own boss. That's why we're doing this. The Razor is kind of a one-off thing. Probably not gonna do too many of those just because it doesn't really fit what we're trying to do. So maybe some minis here and there, but.
At the end.
Well, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully you guys subscribe, like the video. OB3 is currently live. We're giving away the Duravax, the Volvo, and the PJ trailer along with 20 grand cash. So get on that. You buy a shirt like that one over there. One of those hats.
One of these hats?
And then the website, during a multiplier, we'll get you the entries that are seen on the website. So check it out. You can get 350 entries off one shirt if you're on the right spot. So thanks for watching, and peace out.